Hi, and welcome to Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I'm going to be showing the 2023 Spooky Box. Now, I don't know if they have any more. I got this from the Fat Quarter Shop. It's an exclusive box. I also went ahead and picked up the finishing kit based on, I know that these little kits that are in these special ones, they're not great big huge quilts or anything like that. They're just something small. So let's open it up. It says celebrating the spooky season. There we go. And let me see what we got in here. Okay, they got a promotion on the back side. Alrighty, so let's see. We have some pins. Black cat pins. Get that cat. That's pretty neat looking, isn't it? Okay, so, and it is full of pins. And we have some washi tape. It says Sweet or Road. I guess that's what it says. Here's is it 3 of them? Yep, it's 3 of them. Hopefully there's not too much. Here's got a cat on it. With the hat right here, witch's hat. And the top one is, what is that, flowers? Yeah, like pebbles right here, a petal. There we go. Try to get it without the glare so y'all can see. Alrighty. Then we have a cute little, it's a needle minder, limited edition exclusive needle minder. And it's Sweet Fire Road. Okay, there's the needle minder. Does everybody know what a needle minder is? Let me open it up here. Take it out so I can show it to you. We'll use a pen here for an example. All right, so let's say that you're sewing along and you need to put your pen. You take your little, here's the little magnet, and you put that on, and then there you go. Put that on your project, and then put your needle that you've got threaded on it, and so that you have it for needlework or whatever. That's adorable. Okay. And we have our pattern, and it's called Boo Quilt Pattern. Isn't that adorable? And look at those colors. That is what our fabric's going to be. Here is the roll of fabric, and it is Riley Blake, and it's called Fright Delight. Looks like it wouldn't be too hard to make. It's going to end up being 24.5 by 42.5. It's super duper easy. Let me show you this here. See, you cut all your squares, put them in strips. See, that doesn't look hard at all. Pretty easy. It shows you what else you would need is the white and the black fabric. And they sent it just like this. And it came in a package. And the white's on the back. Okay, and this all managed to fit in this box because they sent everything to me at one time. So thank you very much for watching. And it is called the Spooky Box. If you're interested in getting it, I don't know if they have any more. That's what it is. Over at the Fat Quarter Shop. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. See you next time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make a comment if you'd like. If you haven't gotten this box, then by all means, let me know if you've made it already. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.